Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Amatul Safi, and my question is that what measure should any Ahmadi undertake while approaching a person who is deprived from true Islam, since they have been physically or mentally harassed by a supposed religious figure in our society?
So you can tell them that whatever the Maulvi or the fanatics have told you is wrong. The Islamic teaching is a peaceful teaching, and Allah is ever merciful and very kind to the people. So even this is why the Holy Prophet ﷺ says that you should not try to behave harshly towards your children, right? So, and in this way, it needs some psychological treatment. So you bring close to you, and then ask them that this is not the Islamic teaching. Islam is a very kind religion. Allah is ever merciful, and if you pray to Allah, He forgives you. And even Allah Ta'ala says that children should be kindly treated. Holy Prophet ﷺ says that they should be kindly treated. Even the Prophet Messiah has said that if a person does not treat their children in a kind manner, then he thinks he is trying to stand himself at the position of the God, the Khuda. So if the person who thinks himself to be God is wrong, and in this way they are not trying to train their children in a better way, but they are spoiling and destroying the future of their generation. So we should try to be kind enough to the children so that they understand what is the true teaching of Islam. Right? It needs some time, a long process, and try to bring them closer to you. Huh? Right?
Jazakallah.
Is it enough or not?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Is it clear or not yet?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Acha.
Yes. Jazakallah.